Good morning, children. Let us continue chapter 8. Last class we have seen common factor and common multiples. We have to find out the common factor. Today we will see highest common factor. It is called HCF. Highest common, H for highest, C for common, F for factor. It is also called GCD. GCD. That means greatest common divisor. Okay, greatest common divisor. So today we will find out highest common factor. So we will start solving, that is exercise 8.2. In exercise 8.2, number 1 is MCQ. Question number 1, find the HCF of 10 and 100. So first we will find out the common factor. So we will write here factors of 10. Factors of 10. 1, I told you that 1 is factor of every number. So next is 2, 2 5 is 10. Then 3 will not, because it is not divisible properly. You can see here 3 3 is 9. We are getting remainder here, so it is not a factor of 10. 4 is also not, 5. 5 2 is 10. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, no. Then 10 1 is 10. Next is factor of 100. Factors of 100. 1, it is even number, so it is divisible by 2. You can check it. 100 is divided by 2. 2 5 is 10. Then 0 0 is 0. So 50 and 2 both are factor of 100. 3 is not, 4, because when we will divide it by 4, we will get 4 2 is 8, 4 5 is 20. That means 4 is also a factor and 25 is also a factor of 100. 1 2 4, 5 is also, when you will divide it, you will get 20. Then 6 no, 7 no, 8 no, 9 no, 10 10 is 100. Okay. Then 10 10 is 100. Then 25 is 100. Then 25 2 is 25 4 is 100 and 52 is 100. And next is 100. Okay. So now you will write the common factor. Common factors of 10 and 100 are, what is common here? 1, 2, 5 and 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. After writing the common factor, we will check which is the greater number. Here 10 is the greater number. So HCF of 10 and 100 is 10. Understood? Which is the greatest number? 10. So HCF of 10 and 100 is 10. So our correct answer is B. You will to put tick mark in B. Understood? Next question. Question number 2. In MCQ, question number 2. In question number 2, which of the following pairs does not have co-prime numbers? Children, last class I explained you what is co-prime number. Two numbers which have only 1 as their common factor are called co-prime numbers. So first we will find the factor of both the number. Number is given, that is 10 and 20. 21. 10 and 21, it is your option A. Then in B it is given 36 and 49. Then C it is given 17 and 19. Then it is D is given 33 and 39. Not have a co-prime numbers. Not have a co-prime. That means those are not more than one factor. It is called the, it will be not have co-prime numbers. Understood? So if we will write the common factor of factors of 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10, 21, 1, 3, 7 and 21. Here we will see one is, here it is common factor is 1, common factor is 1. Okay, so it is co-prime. What is our question? Not a co-prime number. Okay, so it is co-prime. So we will leave it. Now this one 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Here 1, 7 and 49. Here again we will see the common number is 1. So it is also co-prime. What is our question? Not a co-prime. Here we will see 17. Factor of 17 is 1 and 17. 19 is 1 and 19. Again we will get the common factor is, that is 1. So it is again co-prime. This one we will see. Factor of 33. 1, 3, 11 and 33. And factor of 39. 1, 3, 13, 39. Here we will see 1, 3. Okay, 1 and 3. Two numbers we are getting in common factor. Common factor is 1 and 3. We are getting two common factors. So it is not a co-prime number. So which is it is? Option number D. So we will put the correct answer in D. Understood? Be careful. Your question is that not have co-prime numbers. That is both are having more than one factor. That is common factor is 1 and also and 3 also. So it is not a co-prime numbers. Understood? So correct answer is D and all the option is wrong. Understood? Now next is 3. Which of the following number is HCF of 42 and 51? 42 and 51. So factor of 42 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14 and 42. 21 will also come, then 42. Next is factors of 51. 1, 3, when you will divide it by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 7 is 21. So 71 and 3 both are the factor of 51. 3, then 5 no, 17 and this 51. So common factor is 1, 3. 1 and 3. So HCF is 42 and 51 is equal to 3. Which is your correct answer? It is number B. B is the correct answer. So we have completed the MCQ. Now next we will see question number 2. Find the HCF. Find the HCF of the following. Number 1 is 12 and 16. 12. Factors of 12. 1, 2. In 3 table it will come 4 times. 3 4 is 12. 4 3 is 12. 6 2 is 12. 12 1 is 12. Okay. Next is factors of 16. That is 1, 2 8 is 16. 4 4 is 16. 8 2 is 16 and 16 1 is 16. Now common factor is, already you know how to find out the common factor. 1, 2 is common, then 4 is common. So HCF is the HCF of 12 and 16 is, which is the highest number? 4. So HCF of 12 and 16 is 4. Understood? So 1 number question is completed. Now we will see question number 2. 18 and 24. Factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, then 6, 9 and 18. Then factors of 24. 1, 2, 4 6 are 24, 6 4 are 24, 12 2 are 24 and 24 1 are 24. Now common factor is 1 2 3 6. Okay, 1 2 3 and 6. So we will write the highest common factor, that means HCF of 18 and 24 is 6. So our correct answer is 6. Okay, 3. Question number 3 is 21 and 35. So we will write factors of 21. 1 3 7 are 21, 7 3 are 21, 21 1 are 21. Then factors of 35. 1 5 7 are 35, 7 5 are 35 and 35 1 are 35. Now common factor is 1 and 7. Okay, so highest common factor is 21 and 35 is 7. So we have completed this question up to 3. You will try to do question number 4 to 14. Okay, one more question is there. We have to find the pairs of numbers which are co-prime. You will try to do that question number 4 to into number 4 to 12. 14, it is your homework. Now next is question number 3. Find the pairs of numbers which are co-prime. Number 1 is 16 and 35. Now first we will write the factors of 16. This question already we did in 8.1 also. Okay children? 1, 2, 4, 2 8 is 16, 4 4 is 16, 8 2 is 16, 16 1 is 16. Then factors of 35. 1, 5, 7 and 35. 5 7 is 35, 7 5 is 35, 35 1 is 35. Now common factor is 1 and only 1. Okay, common factor is only 1. So it is a co-prime number. 16 and 35 is a co-prime number. Understood? Understood. If you will get only one common factor, only one, we will get that means both the number is co-prime number. If we will get more than factors, 1 2 3, if more than factors we will get, that means it is not a co-prime number. We did this question in 8.1. question number 2 it was same it is. So you will try to do question number 3 4 and 5. It will be your homework. 3 4 and 5. Next class we will start 8.3. Thank you.